Hey guys, in this video we will talk about 3D printed houses, EU to regulate crypto, how contactless stores are gaining traction, and Starlink is disrupting telecommunications. 10 houses built in one day, and we are not talking about doll houses. This impossible concept is now a thriving industry enabled by Industry 4.0's significant weapon, 3D printing. Large-scale 3D printers are usually machines with automated robotics arms used to deposit materials. Diamond Age recently raised $15 million to continue its mission to make home ownership more affordable by using 3D printing and robotic technologies. Diamond Age Robotics reduces construction cycle time from 9 months to 30 days. Next, a European Parliamentary Committee will vote this week on a new regulatory framework for crypto assets, which could accelerate the passage of a measure that industry executives say could practically ban key digital currencies including Bitcoin and Ethereum in Europe. Crypto assets issued and/or traded in the EU shall be subject to minimum environmental sustainability standards and maintain a phased rollout plan to ensure compliance. Lastly, contactless stores are gaining traction in Europe and the US. The latest company with an injection of funding is Aifi, which enables retailers to deploy and scale autonomous shopping cost-effectively. It does this in grocery stores, sports stadiums, and convenience stores via a camera-only resource that does not require weighted shelves, significantly decreasing the cost and time it takes to get up and running. With regard to continued funding into the autonomous retail space, Aifi raised a total of $80 million. French convenience store starter Boxy received $28 million in funding a few weeks ago. Focal Systems, which works with retailers like Walmart, raised $25.8 million. Here's something else for you to think about. Starlink, the satellite telecommunications company created by Elon Musk, has sent a second shipment of Starlink terminals to Ukraine. Apart from helping in Ukraine, Starlink currently has more than 250,000 user terminals in operation. Starlink's evolution is very interesting. On the one hand, it is leveraging SpaceX rocket launch missions, a company that has managed to systematically lower the cost and entry barriers for putting satellites into orbit. At the same time, it has created its own satellite technology, making them much more cheaper, more efficient, and with a very low failure rate. But above all, it aims to create an infrastructure that can be used anywhere in the world simply by offering it through a web page without the need for too much development of corporate infrastructure in each market. The antennas can be installed independently and the service can be provided with almost no need to deploy teams of people to provide backup. Will you be using Starlink someday? In summary, 3D printing robotics company Diamond Age receives new funding, EU reviews a regulatory framework for crypto, Aifi adds new funding into its cards to expand autonomous retail footprint, Starlink is disrupting the telecommunications sector. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Leadapreneurs YouTube channel to get your weekly updates.